they come! It's Octoblock and his team, the Octobowlers! I'm so excited, I can't wait to watch this match! Out of my way! Don't know what they're cheering for. The winning team have just arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and Numberblocks, welcoming to the lane, it's the reigning champions, the one and only Octoblock, and his team, the nimble Numberblock 9 and triple threat Numberblock 3. Oh no, it looks like they're off to a bad start. Was that banana slip an accident, or was it foul play? Octonaughty was quick to dispose of the evidence. Not far behind him, it's his partners in crime, the Terrible Twos. Good work, amigo. Nice job with the banana. That's just how I roll. It is the day we have all been waiting for, the Numberblocks Bowling Championship. Which team do you think will be taking home today's trophy? This event is brought to you by Starblocks Coffee. Come in and indulge in your favourite drink at Starblocks Coffee. I can feel the tension in the bowling alley as the two teams begin their warm-up stretches. It's the day they have all been training for the last 700 days. Will they be bowling their blocks off? We are just minutes from finding out who will be crowned Numberblocks Bowling Champion. Will it be Octoblock's team, the Octobowlers, or Octonaughty's team, the Tentacles of Terror? Here come the team captains. A short commercial break. Come join the party at Numberland where the fun just keeps on adding up. Why wait? Book your visit today. In lane 5, Octonaughty's pacing back and forth. He's ready to rock and bowl. Let's bring on the team for a final pep talk before the games begin. Don't forget, team, we're cheating, I mean playing to win. We've got it, amigo. We're all set. Good luck, team, but be prepared. The Tentacles of Terror will have tricks up their blocks, and I'm a 9-block, lean, mean bowling machine. There's not a moment to spare. The Numberblock Championship is about to begin. Taking the first bowl in lane 5, it's Octonaughty. And without even a thought, he's striking to perfection. Not looking intimidated at all, and next to roll, it's Octoblock in lane 4. He confidently takes his position as he concentrates on the pins. He's looking calm and collected, and off it goes. Is it going into the gutter? No, it's another strike. We can't have the Octobowlers stealing our trophy, team. It's time for some troublesome tricks. This glue should cause some chaos on the lanes. Good thinking, team. Get to work. Hurry, amigo. They're having a quick toilet break. Go for it. Those pins won't be going anywhere. And we are back for the second team players to take their bowl. What is she doing? Bless you. That surely wasn't meant to happen. Has that unexpected sneeze cost this team the title of Numberblock Bowling Champions? Numberblock 3's not hanging around. She's taking her chance to steal the lead. The bowling ball has just bounced off the pins. I've never seen that before. Camera 4 is down.
We'll be right back.
We are neck and neck with the spider bowlers. It's time to up the naughtiness. I'm going to sneak in this watermelon next to their bowling ball. That's a smashing idea. It's round 3 and the Tentacles of Terror's Terrible 2 takes his shot. What was he aiming at? The ball has bounced off everything, including this tricky twin. It's another open frame. And back on lane 4, it's Numberblock 9. Will this bowling square save the day? Something's happening to his bowling ball. It's cracking. It looks like a watermelon. Refreshments, anyone?
We'll be right back.
Okay, team, it's the final round. I'll have to take matters into my own tentacles. Yeah, bring on the trophy. Octonaughty takes his place. He's put a fancy spin on his swing. Maybe a bit too much.
Oh no, you've broken my TV. You have to pay for it.
I'm not paying for that. Octonaughty escape. 876. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The last roll of the day from Octoblock. Will he be king of the pins? The sweat is rolling down his block. The team are relying on him. He's taken his shot. It's looking good to me. And it's another strike and a win for the Octobowlers. Congratulations, Octobowlers. You are still Numberland's Numberblocks Bowling Champions. It's time for me to split. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, split. Wait up for us, boss. Hey, wait up. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.